Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen, and today I'm going to show you how to add collaboration in Instagram after posting. So first thing is just simply go to your profile and just simply go to the post that you want to add a collaboration with. So I have an example over here, and just simply select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you could just simply go ahead and select edit over here. And now you should be able to see here, add collaboration at the top beside your name. So tap add collaboration. And you should be able to see here, invite collaborators down the picture, and just simply search for a user. So I'm gonna provide a example user, guys. Let's say this user over here, Daddy Duncan. Now, guys, from here, they will have an invitation. And if they accept the invitation, your post will be shared with their followers. And you can just simply select the check icon on the top right and select the check again on the top right. And you should be able to add collaboration. Now, guys, if you're gonna do this on a Reels, just simply go to the Reels tab in your profile at the middle, go to the Reel, and select the three dots down below on the right side. And you should be able to see here Manage at the very first one. And you should be able to see here Edit. So tap Edit. And from here, you should be able to see Tag People and select Invite Collaborators, and just simply provide their username over here. And from there, you should be able to tag them and select Invite to Collaborate, and just simply select the check icon in the top right corner to finish it, and select the check again. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more, and thanks for watching.